Cryptocurrency gaming coins are going to make millionaires, and these are the 5 coins that you should have on your radar for the year of 2022. Also, make sure you stick around until the end of this video to get the details on how you could be eligible for up to $100,000 crazy giveaway. So make sure to stick around to the end to get all of those details. My name is Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing. So if that's a topic you'd like to learn some more about, maybe just stay up to date with, then you should definitely subscribe to the Lark Davis channel. Also, if you take a quick second to tap on that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, man, that would be awesome. Totally awesome. So thank you in advance if you get the chance to take a quick second to do that. And of course, anybody who would like to receive a notification when I put out a new video, you should click on the notification bell. Also, every single week, my team and I produce Wealth Mastery. This is a cryptocurrency investor report designed to help keep you ahead of the curve in this fast-moving market. Every single issue, you're getting a step-by-step DeFi tutorial, an altcoin report, NFT updates, technical analysis, portfolio updates, airdrops, token sales, tips, tricks, and much, much more. You can either go with the premium version, which is going to give you access to all of that, or you can sign up for the free version to get some great tips and tricks straight to your inbox every week. Use the link down below where you can learn more about becoming a member. Now, let's go ahead and just get straight into these coins. The first coin I would like to talk about on today's list is Avocado. Delicious. I love avocados. Now, Avocado DAO is a guild coin. So the first 2 coins we're actually talking about today are guild coins. As I have mentioned previously, I'm bullish on guild coins. I'm bullish on the whole concept of guild coins. I think that these coins that are enabling people to come and play these play to earn games, these guilds which are actually acquiring assets for these games, I think they have great long-term potential in the crypto gaming space, because crypto gaming is going to be huge, and this is a key piece of infrastructure for the crypto gaming world. So Avocado DAO is definitely one to have on your radar and to be paying attention to. Now, why is that the case? Well, they already have 9,000 scholars, as you can see here, who have earned over 68 million SLP tokens. That's the in-game currency for Axie Infinity. So they've been going pretty hard on Axie, but they're not just playing Axie Infinity. They're on lots of games: Elpis Battle, Cyball, Thetan Arena, Cypher, Big Time, which is a very, very interesting game that is coming out. And I think it's going to get a lot of attention. So they're getting into all of these different games, and they're getting the assets in those games. They're earning money in those games. They're enabling more players to come in to earn more money, earn more assets in these games. So definitely they're hitting on the right idea at the right time with these guild coins. They're coming in, they're getting early to these games, which could be absolutely massive. Think about this. Anybody who got early to Axie Infinity made so much money. All the Axies mooned. The Axie token mooned. The Axie in-game currency, SLP, mooned like freaking crazy. These guilds are basically tapping into that, getting players into these games early, and helping them get a hold of these NFTs, these in-game currencies, early on in the games. The guilds then build up this war chest of these assets. Very interesting. Now, Avocado, backed by some incredible players here. We have Animoca Brands on board, 3 Arrows Capital, Hashed as well. I mean, these are some of the biggest names in the venture capital space. Animoca Brands, of course, has been behind basically all things good in the gaming world. Of course, we also have close relationships here: Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Algorand. So they're doing stuff over here at Avocado. They are definitely getting the right trend at the right time with the right people involved, which is, of course, a very important thing to do. Now, if you want to stay up to date about when the Avocado DAO token is actually going to come out, then you should come over here and follow them on Twitter so you can stay up to date with that. Their token is not out yet, but it will be coming out in the not so distant future. So go ahead and check that out. Now let's go ahead and move over to the second coin, which is also a guild coin. Now, this one definitely caught my interest because it is being launched by an existing guild. So this is Yield Guild Southeast Asia. So it's a Southeast Asia specific sub DAO of the already incredibly successful Yield Guild. Now, Yield Guild is already worth hundreds of millions of dollars in market cap. It has been very, very successful. And the concept pretty similar to a lot of this guild stuff that we're talking about here. So they're bringing players together in the crypto gaming space, enabling them to earn via these blockchain-based games. So we have YGG, which is the parent, Yield Guild the parent, and then we have Yield Guild Southeast Asia, which is the sub-DAO of that. So you can see here YGG-SEA. This is Southeast Asia's first play to earn guild. So this is the first guild focusing in on the Southeast Asian market. Now, what are we talking about when we talk about Southeast Asia? Well, we talk about some of the biggest gamer economies in the world. We're talking about Indonesia and their hundreds of millions of internet connected citizens who want to play these play to earn games where they can literally earn more than the average daily wage. We're talking about Vietnam with its massive population. We're talking about affluent Singapore. We're talking about Thailand. We're talking about the Philippines. We're talking about Malaysia. These countries are massive into gaming, massively connected to the net, as well as being perfect candidates for these play to earn games. I'm sure you guys have all heard the stories about people over in the Philippines playing Axie Infinity, and now they're making 3, 4, 5 times the average daily wage just sitting around playing video games all day. Well, that is the potential here, and that's why they started this sub-DAO of YGG Southeast Asia, because they see the opportunity to bring in millions of players from this region into the play to earn economy. And they're backed by, again, massive names. Crypto.com, obviously Yield Guild is on board, obviously. Also, Crypto.com, Animoca Brands, we just talked about them. Big deal in the crypto gaming space. Hashed, they are the biggest venture capital firm out of Southeast Asia. DCG, the digital currency group. Yes, the very same guys that are behind Grayscale, which is the big Bitcoin fund. So they're kind of a big deal. They've been throwing a lot of investments around into the gaming and metaverse space. Their inclusion here is definitely something noteworthy. So YGG Southeast Asia going to be very, very big. The region's big. I think it's just a great focus to have coming into the Southeast Asian region and saying this is where we want to double down on getting play to earn game players into our guild and on to the blockchain. The third coin on our list today is Zone. Now, Zone is actually an Algorand-based play-to-earn gaming ecosystem, which immediately caught my eye because we don't see a lot of stuff coming out on Algorand yet. They're just starting to ramp up their efforts in terms of trying to get people to come in to, do GameFi and stuff like that on Algorand. And Zone is one of the first movers on the Algorand blockchain. It's got the full backing from the Algorand Foundation, who really want to see Zone become successful, who want to see GameFi really coming to the Algorand blockchain. So the testnet for Zone is already live. So I'd like to point that out. That it's not just some pie in the sky. We've got a white paper and a dream kind of thing. They've been building. They've been delivering. They have been doing stuff already. We've already got a testnet live. They also have this out as well. AFK Elephants. So they have these 10,000 profile picture NFT elephants that they've released as well. So these are out there in the wild now. Nice little addition to what they're doing here at Zone. But they are doing some very, very interesting stuff. So obviously tapping into the play to earn gaming world, staking, NFTs, multi-platform support as well. So actually cross-chain GameFi. So even though it's built on Algorand, we'll have cross-chain compatibility coming in here. So we're just coming down here because I think it's important to point out some of the games that you're actually going to see coming to Zone here. So we have chess, good old-fashioned chess. We have poker, of course, one of the most popular online games in the world. We also have some other cool games that they're going to be supporting, so you can actually challenge your friends to come and play your favorite games on Zone, and start earning those rewards and stuff like that. So we have League of Legends here, CS:GO, Clash Royale, Ludo, which I have not heard of that one, but that's coming as well. We got Dota 2 here, so a lot of cool games. And of course, this is just the first games. We will see more come on eventually. So this allows for a whole wide range of stuff. The Zone token is powering this entire GameFi ecosystem. So that allows for, on-chain gaming challenges. So if you want to say who's going to get the highest score on this, or who's going to win this chess match, right? And let's put up $100 and, we can have those on-game kind of challenges like that. Of course, you can then, once you win, obviously, you can then take those and stake them to earn even more rewards. They have NFT loot boxes, the ability to trade NFTs for other, assets, or just cash those NFTs out, again, using the Zone token here. So it kind of ends up being the lifeblood of the Zone ecosystem. So definitely a lot of cool games that they're working with here, and I think a really cool potential being backed by the Algorand Foundation as they are. It really adds a lot of weight to what they're doing over here at Zone. Now, if you're interested in learning more about Zone or grabbing yourself some Zone tokens, well, you should come over and, of course, follow them on Twitter. So they are going to be doing their public sale on a few different IDO launch pads. Engine Starter is going to be one of them. But if you'd like to learn more about what they're doing, some of the partnerships that they've been getting down, because they've been getting a lot of really cool partnerships nailed out recently. They've also been, getting involved with sporting events. They were just at a big F1 sporting event. So they're doing a lot of stuff. So come over here and follow them on Twitter, where you can learn more about Zone, what they're doing, what they're delivering, and kind of what the vision is for Zone. And of course, when you can get your hands on some of those tokens, if of course that is something you would like to do. Now let's go ahead and move on to the fourth game on our list today. And this is Gensokishi Online Meta World. Now this one, super interesting again. There's so many high quality games coming out right now in the crypto world. It's blowing my mind. There's so much cool stuff happening. So this is a metaverse GameFi project, of course. Now, what is Gensokishi? Well, the thing is it's already an online meta world. Now they're going into GameFi. Put this up here. So now they're going into GameFi. So this is a game that's actually already exists. It's already been built. They're just taking it to the next layer now and deploying a GameFi version of this. So this game, the original Meta World Online game, it's won a Game of the Year award. It's had over 8 million downloads, and now they're taking this to the next step, moving into the future essentially, and getting into the crypto space by coming in and saying, hey, let's bring in play to earn features. Let's bring in NFTs. Let's make this game something that's really going to bring players in a massive way and help them earn by playing this game. Now, it's already, because it's an existing game, it's already functional with Android, iPhone, Switch, and PlayStation 4 platforms. So you can actually do this game as either a free-to-play game or as an earn, UCG to earn game, or a play-to-earn game. So lots of different features here. Now, the NFTs within Gensokishi, we're going to see unique fashion and equipment for your characters, as you can see here. For example, so you can have unique NFT skins for your characters. You're going to have rare items for your characters as well, so they can, get special swords or special guns, as well as original equipment. So imagine that, you've got a set of pistols, for example, as this character here has, and you've fought some crazy boss with it, well, that then gains that history of having that experience, of having gone through that. And so your NFTs kind of grow as you play the game more. So your NFTs can evolve over time, which is very, very, very interesting. And this, of course, I think is the future of GameFi, seeing this kind of stuff come in where your in-game items can develop along with you and become better, and of course become more valuable NFTs within that gaming ecosystem. Now, there's also going to be the ability for designers and brands and stuff like that to come in and actually be able to sell assets within the game. We're also, of course, going to have NFT land coming in, as well as production rights for that land. So you can redesign if you own that piece of land, when you purchase it, you can then redesign that land and create unique monsters with rare items. People will then want to come into your part of the metaverse, your part of that gaming world. Maybe you're going to charge an entrance fee for them to come in to go after trying to defeat the dragon and get the best sword, or whatever it might be. Maybe you're going to build a castle, or you can have a rare item shop set up or something like this on the land that you own, so you can actually turn your NFT land into real potential real world income. Now, quite similar to Axie and Infinity, there's actually going to be two tokens here. So there's going to be the ROND token, which is basically like the in-game currency for the Gensokishi meta world. And then you're also going to have the MV token, which is more the utility token that's going to give you, voting rights and the ability to do staking and stuff like that. So kind of a two token model. And of course, Axie has proven how successful that can be, having sort of your more meta token and then your more specific in-game currency token. Now, these guys have been getting out some big partnerships. One just announced, of course, was with Polygon Studios. So they officially announced their collaboration with Polygon Studios, who are going to be directly supporting them for their GameFi offering. So this is definitely one to keep on your radar. It has an existing successful game taking the next step, going into the crypto world in a very, very big way. So definitely want to have on your radar. Again, come over here and follow them on Twitter so you can keep up to date with when they are going to be, making things available for you from the NFTs and the tokens and all that stuff. And the fifth game on our list today is Legends of Elumia. Now, this is a play-to-earn, massive online RPG game for both PC and for mobile. And I just love these kind of RPG games. I think this game has the potential to be very, very, very popular. It's the kind of game that I think gamers really just love playing. These massive multiplayer online RPG games, they have been so incredibly popular in the past, and now moving into a world where we have play to earn features for these games, where we have games where you can actually earn with these games, get these, in-game NFTs and, earn tokens and stuff like that. It's absolutely massive. Now, let's dive in here and just a little bit more details about what they're doing. So you can actually see some gameplay here of what Elumia is going to look like actually in-game, and it looks really, really good. Like, this is beautiful in-game play happening right here. And this is all blockchain based stuff, right? So for all of this, there is NFTs attached to it. There are play to earn features attached to it. And you need these kind of good looking games to actually draw in the players. So what I love about the play to earn NFT sort of the whole GameFi idea is the ability to have complete ownership of your characters, your equipment, the in-game land, the in-game buildings, all of this stuff can be owned by players and can provide more opportunities for players to earn and interact within the game. And of course, then you also have the ability to actually get real world value by, completing tasks, defeating monsters, dragons and ogres and stuff like this. It actually has real world value for players because you do play to earn and actually get these tokens. And of course, as we've seen with some of the early crypto games like Axie Infinity, the land and stuff like that has gone absolutely crazy in valuation. I would expect any other games that can bring in players are going to have a similar trajectory. So obviously, we're talking about a gaming metaverse here. You can buy and own the land in Elumia City. You can customize the buildings, which I think is a really, really cool feature. And of course, shop, trade, upgrade your equipment, characters, all that fun kind of stuff. And then you have a big world out there you can explore with team members. So it can be you, your 4 or 5 friends, playing this game, earning money. So instead of just playing a game and you play and you're done, you guys can actually earn your beer money for the evening out by playing a freaking video game, man. Come on, that's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. They also have stuff, they're going to be doing some esports kind of stuff with team battles and arenas and duels and stuff like this. So that's also very cool. And of course, NFTs are a massive part of what they are doing. As mentioned, they want people to have 100% ownership of the items, of the characters, of all kinds of different in-game assets. So I think this is a massive evolution in the entire gaming space, seeing this kind of stuff happening. So I'm very, very, very excited about the potential for gaming, crypto gaming, to really disrupt the gaming space. Now, I told you about a massive giveaway right at the start of this video. Well, it is actually related to Elumia. So this game, very bullish on it. I think it looks absolutely beautiful, and it's the exact kind of game that I used to like to play back in the day as like a teenager. And I think this has the potential to actually attract in a lot of players. Now, we're doing a giveaway here. So 4 people who retweet the link that's down below in the description. So go over to Twitter, follow the instructions, retweet, follow Play Elumia, join the Telegram group, and then put your details into the Google form. 4 people who do that are going to win $250 worth of free tokens. Now, we've seen these gaming tokens go absolutely crazy. So the potential for a 100x move here, I think, is very, very real. So if you get those $250 of free tokens, if you're one of the winners, hold on to them, man. Wait for the price to go up. There's a real potential you could be sitting on a $25,000 per person token giveaway. It's pretty freaking massive. So if you want to participate in that giveaway, check out the link down below in the description. Anyway, those are just some more really hot gaming coins to put on your radar. So much high quality stuff coming out right now. I absolutely freaking love it. Anyway, your question for today: what crypto gaming coin did I not mention that absolutely should have been on this list? Let me know down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.